A very good morning to all of you, 8th D. Welcome to the EVS class, children. This is the first class of EVS that we are having.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes.
Yes. So, since it is the first class, children, in today's class, we will be doing an activity, a sort of activity. And as you know, that environment is a very important factor for us to survive. And in today's scenario that we are experiencing right now, we understand, like, till now we have been talking about plants, about trees, about so many factors that exist in the environment, water, yes, soil. But whatever is the current scenario, we actually are able to understand that how important these factors are for us and how important it is for us to preserve nature and natural resources. Whatever surrounds us, children, is called environment. In different subject, we have different definition of environment. If we talk about a small child, we see that for that small child, the environment means family, people who are living, who are surrounding that small little child. Agree? Yes or no, AD? Are you able to hear my voice, AD?
Yes, ma'am.
At least reply, say yes or no. Fine. And the same way, here when we talk about the environment, basically we refer to all the resources that surround us. Okay, now we come to the situation that I am actually talking about. In the past few days and even now, what have we experienced? Anyone? During the time of the pandemic, what have we experienced in the past few months, few days? Anyone? किस चीज की बहुत ज्यादा कमी हो रही थी इतना ज्यादा होते हुए भी?
Ma'am, oxygen.
Oxygen. Correct. Oxygen. Yes, it was not available. Oxygen cylinders were not available. People were not able to breathe. And because of this, many of the people, sadly, I will say that they lost their lives. Yes. So the idea behind is that when we study about these subsea, when even I being science teacher, we focus on these subjects where you have to apply logic, where you have to apply a lot of brainstorming thinking. And when we talk about the environment, though it is a part of biology and even your geography, but when we talk about these topics, we do not lay a lot of emphasis, we do not put a lot of emphasis on it, and we just learn it like that. But actually, when it comes to the practical life, the original life, we understand how important it is. And that is what I just talked about, that we experienced in the last few days, few months. Though it is present in such a big amount, it is present everywhere in nature. But then, just because of the activities of the human beings, and let me tell you, children, when I was also a small child, when I was also learning about EVS, in my class days, at that time also my teachers also used to tell the same thing: save environment, save environment, save paper, save trees, save water, save electricity. Yes, the same things were there. But at that time the teachers used to tell ek samay aisa aayega, aisa problem hoga. And it's like it's something that we are seeing, that yes, it is actually happening. So this is not a story that we have been listening. It's not like that. Whether it's you or it's me or anyone, it's not a story. It's something that we need to know, we need to learn, and we need to very carefully think about saving the environment. So today's activity is actually based on what I have just talked about. You are going to write in points or in paragraph as you wish about your role that you can play in saving the environment. I repeat, you are not going to write anything from Google or from any book. You're not going to copy. It should be purely from your brain, your heart, that you being a small child of class 8th, what can you do actually, practically what you can do to save the environment? Now, by environment, I don't only mean trees. Environment includes everything that surrounds you. And how, whatever surrounds you, how can you actually put it, keep it in a proper condition so that it is good for you too? I hope the question is clear. You are not going to say, you're not going to write rallies nikal sakte hain, ye kar sakte hain. No. I just want the points that you can do at your level to say, because we are not sitting here to talk about it. We are here so that we can do something for environment. I hope the question is clear to all of you. 8D, please give the response. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Ma'am.
you will take your rough copies right now, and with a pencil or a pen, whatever you wish, you'll write in points or in paragraph form. It will be better if you write in points. Yes. And then one by one, you will be coming up with your thoughts and you'll be sharing. And believe me, because I had a class with the one more section, and we came up with small little ideas which are not very new, but they're innovative. So you don't have to just write down light off karni hai, pani bachana hai. No, put some ideas and think and do it yourself. So your time starts, it's 10:23. You'll be getting 10 minutes to write, and then after that we'll be discussing. Okay, children? Start writing. And one more important thing, right now there are 27 in the call. Nobody is going to leave the call like that. Even if you have written 2 points, no problem. You have to come up with the thoughts that you have written on your sheet. Okay? Start writing, children. In case you find any problem anywhere, please feel free to ask. Yes, Vidushi, we have talked about about the introduction about the environment. Yes, Vidushi, I'm repeating the question for you. I have given you to write some points or in paragraph about your role as a student of class 8th in saving the environment. Okay, so you have to just put some innovative ideas that how simple things, simply and in a simple way, you can save environment. Okay, Vidushi? Saurabh Shukla, please put your speaker off. Yes, children. I hope you have finished your work.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Shreyash Mishra. Shreyash Mishra, please put your speaker on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Read out what you've written. Please do not take so much of time. I have to ask others also. Quickly. Shreyash Mishra, please put your speaker on quickly. Abhas Kapoor left. Shaurya Shukla left. This all is getting recorded. Prabal Pandey left. That is why I keep taking the names. Keep leaving. Shrishti Singh. Shrishti Singh, please put your speaker on. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we take that much food which we can eat, not to throw the food.
Okay. What else?
Ma'am, we stop tearing the pages.
Okay.
And ma'am, when we go to a supermarket, we carry our bag.
Very good. Yes, this is a good point. Should carry our own bags. It should be of polythene.
No, ma'am.
Good
It
girl.
it would a jute bag also.
Okay, good. Yes. Then Shivansh Singh.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we can adopt the reduce, reuse, and recycle method.
Very good.
And ma'am, 1 year we should plant a tree also.
Every year. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. This is very good. Yes, this is something very good. That every year, if we plan that we plant a tree, a sapling, definitely we'll have a number of trees around us. Very good. Then,
And
yes.
ma'am, we should not use water unnecessarily.
Yes. Avoid the unnecessary water wastage. Sankalp Kapoor. Sankalp Kapoor. Soumya Gupta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, Shivansh.
Ma'am, please repeat a question again, ma'am. There's some network problem.
So, what were you doing till now?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have written the.
Shivansh, have you written anything? Okay. Yes, Sankalp.
Ma'am, we should recycle the newspaper at our home only, because there are many ways to recycle newspaper in the home only.
How?
Yes, ma'am.
How are we going to do that?
Ma'am, by putting the newspapers in hot water for about 24 hours, ma'am, then it will make a thick paste of the paper.
Okay.
Second point, reuse the old.
Yes, continue.
Second point, reuse the old soft drink bottles as water bottles and old buckets as dustbins instead of throwing them.
Very good. Very good. Very nice point. Yes. And even like with your creativity, you can decorate it also. Yes. With the paint colors and all, you can decorate it so that it does not look very bad and shabby. It is beautiful also. You can keep it at the corner. And even, yes, very good. You can keep it under your study table. If it is a small bottle, small bucket. Yes, many of the time we get small paint, this thing buckets. So that you can use as your for your this thing as your desk dustbin under your desk study table. Good. Any other point?
Third point, yes, ma'am. Third point, when it rains, collect water in a bucket and or tub and use it for washing your car and mopping the floor.
Very good. This is also something. See, these all points are not that we have never heard of. It's not like that. But the thing is, as relatable to the question said that what you can actually do. So these answers that you are giving are relatable. The thing is that you have to take the initiative and you have to actually do it. It should not remain in your book, in your copy where you have written. These points should actually be there in your mind and you should actually apply them. So very good, Sankar. This is a very good point that you can use it not only for cleaning the vehicles, etc., for cleaning up, for putting in the plants, for providing it to the plants, for putting in the this thing, your pots and all. You can use it. Very good. Then Mohammad Ayan Ansari. Mohammad Ayan Ansari.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, one more thing I want to just let you know that when we do any type of such activity, whenever I give you some work related to activity or wherever I ask you questions where you have to give answers online, make sure that this is getting recorded first of all. Second thing is recorded in the sense it's not like recorded in the video, but by recorded I mean that I am recording your marks, your grade. Yes, I give you, I mark you at a grade A, B, C with my marks. Okay. So when you leave the class or when you do not answer, don't think that अरे वाह बच गए. It means that you are at loss somewhere. Okay. So later do not come and complain कि मैम आपने हमको क्या नंबर दे दिया. Okay. So you have to participate. This is important. Fine. So I was talking to Muhammad Ayan Ansari. Yes.
Yes.
What you have written, beta?
Ma'am, take a shorter shower. Every 2 minutes you save on your shower can convert more than 10 gallons of water. Plus, it takes costly energy to warm that water.
Fine. Good. Yes. This can be done. Like not, if not always, at sometimes, because generally you are in a hurry to attend the class in the morning also. So it will be saving the natural resource as well as your time also. So this is good, that sometimes it's not always to waste a lot of time. So this is okay. This is a nice point. This can be added up. What else?
Save tree because they provide oxygen which is essential for our survival.
Now you have copied it from somewhere. First you tell me this.
No, ma'am.
Right, tell me correctly, honestly. Have you actually copied it from somewhere?
No, ma'am.
Then why are you not able to read what you have written? It's the word is essential.
Yes, ma'am. Essential.
Okay, continue.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have written 2 points only.
Okay, fine, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Then Soumya Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So the first point is recycling plastic products, like converting plastic bottles into plant holders and making use of it.
Beta, this is reuse. Okay. You are not recycling, but you are reusing it. So it's correct.
Yes.
Just make a yes, make a change. Reusing.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Then
Growing more trees and plants and reducing pollution.
okay. Anything else?
We should properly dispose trash whenever we see lying it on streets and all.
So yes, this is an important point, that at our level, since we see that generally people keep complaining about the bad condition of the society in the gardens everywhere wherever you
Yes,
see,
ma'am.
mostly the public places. So it is in our hand, if our level, if we start with it, not throwing the garbage here and there, but putting it at the proper place. So this can help in cleaning up the environment. Yes, and of
Yes.
course reducing the pollution also. So this is a good point. This can be added. This can be done at your level. Continue.
Yes, ma'am. Turning off electric appliances when not in use so that we can save electricity.
Yes, we can save electricity. Thereby, we can reduce the pressure on the machines which are used to produce the energy. Yes, or convert the energy from one form to another. So this can
We'd
be
be
also.
able to save more energy.
Yes, of course. And
Yes.
in fact, the labor will also be saved. People who are working in the factories, etc.
Yes.
That will also be saved. Any other thing?
Not wasting paper, making use of scrape paper more.
Repeat it.
Not wasting paper, using both sides of the paper.
Yeah,
Not
using both
tearing it
sides.
down.
Do you actually do it? Honestly, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm?
I do. I try my best.
Honestly.
Honestly, I try my best, ma'am.
Being science
Not to
student,
make
this
it.
should be done.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
but you know what? Soumya, it's Soumya,
Yes,
na?
ma'am.
Soumya,
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
talking to you. Yeah, Soumya, you know what? People keep talking about it, but when it comes to the actual, practical thing, they don't do it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
But
ma'am.
and this is it's very bad.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
If you're like, if what happens if you are supposing, if your mama papa tell you to use the same copy that you use in class 7th, I mean, not of course for your fair work, but if you use it for your rough work, if
Yes.
they tell you, so
Yes, ma'am.
many of the time, I don't know, I'm not talking specifically about you, but many of the time children say, "Nahi, I want a new one."
Ma'am, I'm making use of my last year's
Good.
copies.
This should be done. Yes, this
Yes,
is how
ma'am.
you actually save paper. It's not. See, that is what I was telling. The idea behind the activity was not कि आप जाके पेड़ को बचा लीजिए. पेड़ को
Yes.
बचाने के लिए उसके आसपास घूमने की जरूरत नहीं है. हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Very good. Good girl. Okay. And nice to talk to you. Okay. Then Ariba.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, avoid taking cars and other means of transport as much as possible and use public transport.
Very good. This is a very, very good point, and I love it because this is actually something which is going to help a lot in reducing the environment pollution. Very, very, very important and very nice point. This should be added up. Okay, then. Yes, continue, Ariba.
Ma'am, use reusable bags and grow more trees.
Okay, good. Anything else? Okay, good, Ariba. Then it's Laiba Fatima.
Ma'am, Kathir.
What's the name? Kathir.
Yes, ma'am, Kathir.
Please make your ID with your own this thing name. Make sure that your ID is with your name. Okay. Yes. Read out the points.
Ma'am, number one, we should not throw rubbish here and there.
Very good. Very good. Yes.
Ma'am, number two, ma'am, we should use cycle instead of using car, bike, bus.
Ha. Yes. For traveling shorter distances, it's not that we are always going to use the car or anything that you requires fuel. Yes. On the other hand, we should use the cycles. Good. Yes.
Ma'am, we should use cloth bag or jute bag instead of using polythene.
Yes, this is going to save your money also, and when you are going to throw it, when you discard it, it is not going to pollute the environment. This is good. Okay.
Ma'am, we should plant a tree.
Yes, good, good, good. Anant Rastogi, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anant, yes, beta.
And clean our home and nearby areas.
Very good. Very important point. See, you when you go to class 9th, you'll have a chapter there, and there you are going to learn कि देखिए अब आज की डेट में क्या हो रहा है, हम तो सैनिटाइज कर रहे हैं और हम तो ठीक हैं, मगर आज की डेट में प्रॉब्लम क्या है, अगले का भी ठीक रहना बहुत जरूरी है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
अगर अगले की तबीयत खराब है तो हमारी भी तो हो जाएगी, तुरंत इन्फेक्शन हो जाएगा. द सेम वे इफ यू क्लीन योर होम और जाके सारा कूड़ा बगल वाले के घर के सामने फेंक दिया, अरे भाई हमारा तो साफ हो गया, बट द एनवायरमेंट इज polluted, you are living in a dirty environment, then how is it going to help? It's always going to harm you also. So very good point, that clean the room, clean your house, but also keep the surroundings clean. Very good. Yes, continue, Anand.
Eat light and healthy food.
Yes, 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 yes.
In this type of pandemic season, ma'am, we should maintain our physical as well as mental health.
This is also very important point. If we maintain our physical and mental health, yes, of course, कम लोग बीमार पड़ेंगे तो हॉस्पिटल्स में भीड़ कम होगी, इन्फेक्शन कम होगा, जिससे कि डॉक्टर्स पे प्रेशर कम पड़ेगा. Yes, and moreover, we have healthy India. So very good, Anand. Okay, so this is how, I'm very sorry for those who did not get the chance, but I make sure because I keep ticking, I keep putting a tick in front of the names who have answered. So next time surely those who did not get the chance will get the chance, and this is how I want all of you to participate so that you come up with your ideas. Do not think that हमारी chance नहीं आई तो हम बच गए हैं. Think कि हमारी chance नहीं आई है तो ये हमारे लिए अच्छा नहीं है. I also want to speak up. Everybody has their own thoughts. Yes, so thank you very much, class, for coming up with new ideas, small little ideas, but actually very good ones. Yes, so till we meet again, take care of yourselves, and next time surely the other ones will also get the chance. Okay, bye bye, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.